Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a series of videos showing you some of the best websites and YouTube channels that I find useful for my Arabic learning journey. I don't use a lot, I only have a few that I stick to which I think are brilliant. The first one that I will show, and I highly recommend, is this one called Arabic Blooms. I'm already subscribed to this channel and I'm going to click on it. I love this channel because it has short Arabic stories that she explains and tells you the meaning of words, and it's very good for listening and learning new words and vocabulary. So it's good to have a pen and paper ready. Buy a notebook that you keep specifically for the stories because there's so much to learn. So here are the playlists. On the playlist they have Learn Arabic Through Short Stories. I'm going to click on that, but she also has some of these other things that she teaches. This one, Arabic Verbs Mastery, is new. Some of these are newer than the stories. So I found this channel specifically when I wanted to learn stories. I liked the stories.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this series of videos, Learn Arabic with Short Stories. Before we start, I need you to know that these stories are for complete beginners. They are very, very short stories, and I will read them very slowly so you can understand the whole meaning.
So this is what it is. So the story, it comes with subtitles, and then later on the words are explained and the phrases are explained, and then the final part is you listen to it again without subtitles. You pick up quite a lot. So I'd recommend that you subscribe to this channel. Let me play a bit of this right there.
العمل. كان أرنوب يجلس في بيته حزينا لأنه لا يجد طعاما يأكله.
And then after the story is read, it's a very short story, and then the explanation of words, the meanings, and then you see that. And then finally, the story is read again after the words are explained.
Hope you understand, and if you have any question, please let me know. العمل. كان أرنوب يجلس في بيته حزينا لأنه لا يجد طعاما يأكله.
So now the story is being read again without subtitles, but you pick up a lot more because the words had been explained previously. So feel free to subscribe, go through the channel, and also look at the Arabic Verbs Mastery in the playlist. It helps as well. Thanks for watching, and I will come back with another video recommendation of channels that I use.